Welcome to the Central Westchester Region, Your Child and Eureka Math presentation. My name is Marie O'Shea. I'm the instructional specialist for the region, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to Eureka Math. What is Eureka Math? Eureka Math is a complete pre-K through 12 curriculum that carefully sequences the mathematical progressions into expertly crafted modules. Why did the Archdiocese select Eureka Math? Eureka Math's sequencing has been aligned with methods of instruction that have been proven to successfully scaffold students' growth. These methods drive student understanding beyond process to deep mastery of mathematical concepts. How is Eureka Math sequenced? Eureka Math is based on the theory that mathematical knowledge is conveyed most clearly and effectively when it is taught in a sequence that follows the story of mathematics itself. Eureka Math consists of three components. In pre-K through grade 5, it's a story of units. In grades 6, 7, and 8, it's a story of ratios. And on the high school level, it's a story of functions. How are Eureka Math lessons structured? In K through 5, the lesson structure is as follows. First, students practice their fluency or math facts. Next, the teacher launches concept development, where the idea for the lesson is taught. Next, the students apply what they just learned to a problem that they work through with the teacher's guidance. After this, the students participate in an activity and solve problems. This can be done independently, collaboratively, or under the guidance of the teacher during small group instruction. After this, the students gather to speak with their partner or the class as a whole and the teacher to discuss how they solved the problems. Exit tickets are then distributed. Exit tickets are a quick way for the teacher to determine whether the students have fully understood the concept that was taught that day. Based on the students' understanding of the concept, they are assigned homework for that day. In middle school, the Eureka Math lessons are structured a little differently. In grades 6 through 8, the students start with an identifiable lesson type, which is followed with an introduction or lesson notes. The students then are provided with examples and exercises that they may do independently, collaboratively, or in a small group with the teacher. Exit tickets, which are a means for the teacher to ascertain whether the students have understood the concept introduced, are distributed at the end of the lesson, and then the students are given a problem set to complete either for the remainder of the class or as homework. Some important components of Eureka Math are sprints, number bonds, and tape diagrams. A math sprint is a fun, engaging way for the students to review familiar math facts in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A number bond is a representation of the relationship between a number and the parts that combine to make it. It is a very basic but very important foundation for understanding how numbers work. Tape diagrams are visual models that use rectangles to represent the parts of a ratio. The visual model helps the student to set up and solve word problems. You may be thinking, I don't know anything about all of this. How can I help my child? Did you know that Eureka Math provides parental support? You can sign up for Eureka Math parent support at greatminds.org. When you sign up for the Eureka Math parent support, please use the unique code on the next slide that is specific to your child's school. Please note, if you have any difficulty at all signing up for Eureka Math parent support, you can ask your child's teacher or your child's principal to help you with this all-important task. Here are the unique codes for our Central Westchester Region Eureka Math schools. Again, please be sure to use the code that matches your child's school when you're signing up. Please remember, we are all here working together to ensure your child receives the finest Catholic education possible. Please don't hesitate to contact your child's teacher should you or your child require further support. Thank you so much for choosing our Central Westchester Region Catholic schools for your child. We are honored that you have entrusted the education of your child to our care. Thank you.